This is Myanmar.
The land of pagodas, the place where it takes you back in time.
Here you will find simple pleasures as life moves at a much slower pace.
However, we hated Myanmar.
We hated it, not because we chose to, but because we were taught to. As we were born and raised in Thailand, we were taught in schools that Myanmar is our enemy.
They invaded our land, destroyed our cities, and killed our people. As a result, there is no reason to like the country.
But as we have traveled around the world, we found that things are not always what they seemed. Maybe it's not our fault that we hated Myanmar.
But it's our responsibility not to judge others based on what we've been told. That's why we're here, exploring Myanmar, the country we hated.
To learn the other side of the stories, to broaden our perspectives, to prove that we shouldn't believe everything we've heard.
For us, Myanmar is one of the most amazing countries we've ever visited. Maybe the true enemy is our own ignorance.
And that's the reason why we travel.